Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your machine supports virtualization and enabling VTX or AMDV in BIOS. This lets the virtual machine access CPU features. Next, download a compatible Android TV image like Android x86 or an official Android TV emulator image so you get Google TV UI and Play Store support. Install VirtualBox or VMware Player now because you need a hypervisor to run the image. Once done, create a new VM and assign at least 2 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM to avoid sluggish performance. You now configure the VM precisely. Choose a Linux template if Android x86 is used, set a 16 GB virtual disk, and enable EFI when required because Android needs proper boot mode. Make sure to mount the ISO as a virtual CD and enable 3D acceleration while giving 128 to 512 MB of video RAM to support the TV interface. Then boot the VM into the installer and follow prompts to install Android to the virtual disk. Once installation finishes, unmount the ISO and reboot into Android. You finish by installing guest editions or VMware tools if available to improve input, mouse capture, and display scaling, because the TV interface benefits from proper pointer and GPU support. Next, set networking to bridged for device visibility or keep NAT for simpler internet access, and sign into Google to use Play Store. If things go wrong, first make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS, then increase RAM or video memory, and adjust display settings. These steps usually fix boot, lag, or resolution issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.